Patachara was the daughter of a wealthy set of Sravasti. She was very beautiful and talented, but she gave her to her servant. And one day quietly left the house with him. They went far away from Sravasti and settled down here. After some time, she became pregnant. Her husband did not have difficulties available to her. He started missing his mother. She proposed to go to her maternal home for the birth of a son, but her husband kept Eva issue. So, after telling her neighbor that she is going to her maternal home, you tell her husband, she left for the maternal house. When the husband returned, he come to know that his wife had left for her maternal home. He went after her. On the way, he met Patachara. Patachara had labor pains. A son was born. Going ahead has been postponed, both return home. After some time, she became pregnant again. This time, the husband and wife left with their son. On the way, there was a severe storm and it started raining. Patachara started having labor pain. Her husband started collecting purses so that he could make shelter for her. But he was bitten by a snake and he died. Somehow Patachara gave birth to a son. All three of them kept getting drenched in the rain all night, and both the children kept crying with hunger. When it was morning, she left her dead husband and took her son in her arm and went towards Sravasti. On the way, come a river. The river was flooded due to the night's rain, and the water was falling very fast. Keeping the elder son on the bank, she crossed the river to keep the younger one across, and placing it on a stone, they went back to pick up the elder son. Then an eagle swung and flew away with the child. The mother started making noise. The elder child felt that his mother was calling him. He landed in the water and started falling in the stream. Patachara went to the side to save him, but she could not save him, and he drowned and died. She somehow crossed the river, crying, and started towards Sravasti. A man was coming from over there. Asked him about his parents. The wanderer said, their house collapsed in the stormy rain of the night. All the members of the family were burned in heat, and there was a lot of smoke rising from their prey. She went to the crematorium crying and saw the prey of the parents and brother. She lost her senses. She started walking like crazy and said, "Both my son died. Husband got bitten by snake. Mother and father, brother got burned on the same prairie." The boys would throw dust, mud, and stones at him. One day, wandering around, she started entering Jetwana. The people tried to stop and madness, but Buddha's eyes fell on him. He was followed to come in, and his eyes of knowledge were opened on seeing the Buddha. She became aware of her nakedness and sat down in tears. Somebody put a rag on his body. Buddha was giving discourses. Patachara started getting purified from inside. Patachara narrated his story to Buddha. Buddha explained it to him that he would have to find his own way. The expression she expressed her desire to take pravajja. She was converted. She became famous by the name Patachara. One day she was pouring water on her feet. It went dry for a while. Inserted again, it went a little further. When it was prodded for the third time, it went a long way and dried up. He saw people dying in the same way in three ways. Then Buddha explained to her with his light that a day's life for a wise man while understand the cost of production is more than 100 year of ignorant who does not see the output and expenditure of the Panchaskandhas is preferable